AI is everywhere now. Every week a new tool comes out. Using AI is becoming a key skill, and in the future it will be even more important. There will be no one working without an AI like when a computer or a smartphone appears. If you don't learn how to use it, you might end up wasting time while others move ahead. But here's the problem. There are so many tools out there. It's hard to know which ones are actually worth using. I didn't know where to start, so I started checking a lot of information and testing different tools. Of course, it depends on the person. Everyone uses AI in their own way. And honestly, even for me, it changes day by day. One day a tool feels perfect, the next day a new one takes its place. That's why I'm always catching up with the latest updates. As an engineer, I spend about an hour every day exploring AI tools, and it's helped me make my freelance work far more efficient. I truly believe there will be a big difference between people who use AI and people who don't. So in this video, I want to make it simple for people like me. I'll share the tools I tested and show the AI tools I use the most in my daily life. First, I use Aqua Voice mainly for typing. For example, when I need to write a long prompt in ChatGPT or Claude Code, when I'm drafting an article, or even when replying to emails, I can avoid the hassle of typing everything out. One of the best features is that it automatically removes unnecessary filler sounds like or ah while I'm speaking. This makes the text much cleaner without me needing to edit it. Another way I use it is for organizing my thoughts. Sometimes when I don't know what to write, I just talk out loud, and Aqua Voice helps me put those ideas into words. The tool is unlimited and only costs $9, which I think is really affordable. Plus, it supports multiple languages. For example, if you want to dictate in your own language but convert it into Korean, Chinese, or Hindi, you can just select the language and it automatically transforms your speech into that target language. Instead of typing code or prompts, I just talk to Aqua Voice and press enter. It feels like the future of how we'll interact with AI. Next is NotebookLM. This tool is great for collecting and organizing information. For example, when you see an AI research paper, it's often too long to read. With NotebookLM, you can upload the paper and it gives you the highlights. You can quickly check if it's important for you, and if it is, then you can go deeper. This saves a lot of time. I also use it to summarize YouTube videos and online articles. Recently, I've been checking AI-related YouTube content with NotebookLM so I don't waste time watching the whole video. Another powerful use is for something like a RAG function. Many companies want a chatbot that answers based on their documents. With NotebookLM, you can upload up to 50 sources like files or websites and then get answers from them. It's very useful for things like company FAQs. But one warning, don't upload super confidential documents. For normal files on Google Drive, like spreadsheets or shared reports, I think it's fine to use. Let me talk about Claude Code. I'm currently on the $100 plan. There's also a $200 plan. But $100 is more than enough for me. Claude Code isn't just a tool for writing code. Its real strength is that it guides you through the process, teaching you how to use it as you go. On top of that, the docs folder contains documentation for each implementation, and if you go through them in order, you can complete the implementation without any issues. Recently, there have been situations where Claude Code doesn't work as smoothly as expected. Many people end up just throwing code at the AI without proper implementation, running messy spaghetti code, or forcing tests to pass in roundabout ways. Because of these issues, it's important to stay up to date with the latest information. Otherwise, the performance of the model and which AI tool is best can quickly change. And now, OpenAI's Codex have also entered the scene. I haven't tried Codex yet, but since it already has a large user base and plenty of resources available, I'm considering making the switch in the future. AI tools are not just about what they are, but how you use them. For me, spending about an hour every day testing, catching up, and applying AI has made my freelance work much more efficient. And that's why I believe the gap between people who use AI and people who don't will only keep growing. So don't just know the tools. Try them, play with them, and figure out which ones make your work and your life better, and share your thought to others. I'll keep sharing how I actually use AI in real life. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please put like for this video and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.